Good afternoon, everyone. I am Pamela Canedo. And we are the group 5 and we're going to discuss the different seasons and weather patterns in the Philippines.
Mga bata, gusto nyo bang sumayaw at kumanta?
Yes, teacher.
Kayo ay sumayaw at narinahan mo po. Ngayon, anong mas gusto nyo? Tag-araw o tag-ulan? Tag-araw po. Bakit? Kasi hindi maulan. Sino pa po? Sige.
Tag-ulan, teacher, kasi mas maganda maligo, teacher, kapag tag-ulan.
Sino pa po? Ikaw. Ayun na.
Tag-ulan, teacher, kasi makakapaglaro ako.
Teacher, tag-ulan kasi masarap ng tulog. Pag malamig.
Goods.
So, class, what do you think or how many seasons does our country have? Anyone? Yes, come on.
Oh, teacher.
What are those? Kuya.
Rainy season and sunny season.
Yes, very good. So there are two seasons in our country, the Philippines. So the first one is the wet season and the second one is the dry season. So let us define what is wet season first. Wet season is characterized by a pronounced rainy season with thunderstorm. It starts in June at peaks in July to September and then falls slowly towards the end of the year. Precipitation is the highest in the area where the southeast monsoon strikes. Temperature ranges from 30 to 36 degrees Celsius during daytime and 21 to 23 degrees Celsius during the nighttime. So, wet season is characterized or tinatawag rin siya na rainy season because in this season is mas mahaba yung rainy seasons na nangyayari. Mas maraming tag-ulan na nangyayari. So, isang factor ng pagkakaroon natin ng wet season is yung southwest monsoon or tinatawag nating habagat na mamaya ay mai-discuss. So, next naman po, let's define what is dry season. Dry season is characterized by hot and cold blast days between January to May. The climate is generally dry with occasional rain showers and peak of dry seasons is in April with less rain showers, influenced by seasonal wind and the northeast monsoon or the Amihan. Temperature ranges from 25 to 32 degrees Celsius during daytime and 22 to degrees Celsius at nighttime. So, dry season is characterized naman as sunny season. Dito naman is mas mahaba yung sunny days na nararanasan natin kaysa sa rainy day. So, isang factor naman dito kung bakit tayo nagkakaroon ng sunny days or sunny season is yung northeast monsoon or tinatawag naman nating amihan na may didiscuss rin po mamaya. So, ano-ano nga ba yung mga activities na suited for each seasons? So, let's start with the wet season. So, there are two activities suited for wet season. Number one is indoor activities. Number two is planting crops. Next naman po is the activities that are suited for dry season. Number one is family outing and recreational activities. Number two, house cleaning and gardening. Number three, harvesting and drying crops. Four, drying fish. And lastly, five, constructing roads, drainage, and fences. So, it's seasons po may iba't ibang activities na suited para dito. So, yung sa wet season nga po, gaya ng nabanggit, yung una is indoor activities. Of course, why? Kasi nga po, kapag wet season, rainy days, hindi tayo masyadong nakakalabas. Mas pinipili nating mamalagi na lang po sa ating mga bahay. Tapos, yung planting crops dito na po nag-umpisa dahil kapag wet season, alam naman po ninyo na uso po ang pagtatanim dito kasi yung number one po na hanap buhay natin dito sa ating lugar is pagsasaka. Doon naman po sa dry season is mas pinipili po ng tao na maggala or maglibang po sa labas ng bahay. Mas ginugusto nila or mas gusto nilang mag-family outing na lang sa labas kaysa manatili sa bahay kasi nga mas na-enjoy nila yung panahon kasi mas maaraw. Mas maraming magagawa kapag maaraw. Dito naman din pumapasok yung, of course, kapag dry season or sunny season na, dito na po yung pag-harvest ng crops na natapos nung nag-ano. Next po is, dito rin po yung drying fish natin. Marami na pong nagdadaing. Tapos, mas marami pong nagagawang manufacturers and infrastructures po, like constructing roads, drainages, and fences.
Yun, so na-explain natin na maayos yung dalawang season sa Philippines. So, meron ba kayong tanong sa karagdagan dito sa ating na banggit na dalawang season?
Teacher.
Wala? Okay, thank you for your answer. And ngayon naman, meron tayong papag-aralan ulit na dalawa. Ito naman yung dalawang weather patterns sa ating bansa. Ano ulit yung ating bansa? Saan ulit tayo?
Philippines.
Philippines. Sinong gustong magbasa sa inyo dito? Sa una. Si April.
In the Philippines, amihan refers to the season dominated by the trades winds which are experienced in the Philippines as a cool northeast winds. It is characterized by moderated temperature, little or no rainfall in the central and western part of Luzon, Visayas, and prevailing wind from the as on the west coast of Luzon.
Tutuloy ko. It brings drizzling rainfall and the effect on Mindanao is relative business or in the northern part of the country. So, ito yung sa amihan. So, meron kayong idea kung ano nga ba ang amihan, kung kailan ito nangyayari? Si Frances,
Ano po sa mga Burmans?
Bermas?
Yes po.
Yun, tama. So, kung mapapansin natin, ano yung pakiramdam natin sa bear months? Ano yung malamig ba siya o mainit?
Malamig na hangin.
Malamig po.
Malamig. Very good. So,
Malamig na
that is the amihan. Now, what is the second, again, what is the second weather pattern in our country?
Habagat.
Habagat. Correct. And the habagat is characterized by hot and humid weather, frequent heavy rainfall, and a prevailing wind from the western part. So, sa tingin nyo naman, mga bata, kailan natin ito nararanasan?
every
Do you think what is the suited month for this weather patterns? Pamela,
From May to August, teacher.
May to August. So why do you think that May to August is the suited month for this weather pattern?
Because teacher, mas marami po yung tag-ulan or yun po yung month na kadalasan po is mas mahaba yung rainy season.
Yes, that's correct. So, do you have any idea or question about our the first is the wet season and dry season and amihan and habagat? Do you have any question?
Teacher!
Okay. Now I will group you into two, and this is the first group and the second group. And the first group will give 5 example of activities that kadalasang ginagawa sa ano lang group ulit dito? 1. Sa group 1 ay wet season. Sa group 2 naman ay dry season. Magbigay lang kayo ng 5 activities na ginagawa ninyo. Bibigyan ko kayo ng 2 minuto upang maglista o mag-receive. Are you done?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher!
Okay, first group, you will going to discuss the 5 activities that you listed.
my first activity teacher is planting. Rice, that, second,
What else?
second, in the house,
House only.
cooking,
Drinking coffee. Yes, that's correct.
tapos, then,
Sleep. Oh, we have already 3.
shower in the rain.
Shower. And last,
Yung mag-back ko ng pulit.
yun, mag-impact ng tubig dahil rainy season. Oh, give first group 5 gloves. Next is the second group.
Teacher, mag-travel po.
Travel.
Mag-hiking, tapos mag-swim, teacher, sa beach, gano'n. Tapos, ano po ng palay, magbilad. Tapos, ano po ng tubig kasi wala po tubig.
So give yourself 5 hand clap. Very good. And please bring out a sheet of paper and you will going to answer this question. First, I will read the first question. What are the activities best for dry season that you usually do? List 5. Second is what are the activities based for wheat season. So, list again 5 examples. I will give you 2 minutes to answer.
Yes, teacher.
We're done, teacher.
Tapos na po, teacher.
Na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, pass your paper. So, I have a question to you about our topic. And sa inyo, paano naapektuhan ang inyong, o paano kayo naapektuhan kung merong mga, like the seasons that we encountered, like habagat. Kung tag-ulan, paano naapektuhan ang inyong family? Si Pamela.
Sir, syempre po, pag-ulan po yun. Kalimitan po, nasa bahay lang kami, tapos hindi kami lumalabas.
Yan. Thank you for your good answer. Who has any else answer? Or do you have any idea? Kim,
Teacher.
Hindi ko natutuyo yung nilang.
hindi natutuyo yung nilabhan kapag mid season. So, April,
Kapag tag-ulan po, teacher, maputik po. Hirap po lakad.
hirap maglakad. Yun. So, kapag I have another question to you. Bakit kailangan natin na malaman yung iba't ibang season sa ating Pilipinas o sa ating bansa? Pamela,
Sir, of course po, para maging prepared at saka maging ready tayo. For example po, sa wet season or yung rainy season na tinatawag natin, syempre, kapag sa mga ganong season, ano ba yung mga hinanda natin? Syempre, mga gamit na kailangan. For example po, umbrella, mga pananggalang po sa ulan, tapos nag-ipak tayo ng maraming pagkain in case po na magkaroon ng calamity or kaya may magkaroon na po ng bagyo. Tapos, inahanda rin po natin yung ating tahanan kapag dumarating po yung mga ganitong panahon. Sa dry season naman po, syempre, magiging mas productive po tayo, mas may enjoy natin yung panahon. Tapos, mas nasusulit natin yung bawat araw na magkakasama tayo ng pamilya natin.
yeah, very good. All your answers are correct. So, again, children, what is our topic all about?
Different season and weather patterns in the Philippines.
So, what are the 2 seasons in the Philippines again?
Wet and dry season.
And the 2 weather patterns?
Amihan and habagat. So class, please bring out po your assignment notebook for your assignment, and then try write this on your notebook. So this is our lesson for today, class. I hope you learned a lot. We are the group 5. I hope you all